Did you know that it's possible to control your blood pressure with just the foods you have in your kitchen? Yes, it's possible. In this video, we will reveal 7 good foods for controlling blood pressure and give tips on how to prepare them. So stick with me until the end of the video, which is very interesting. Hello, this is the Healthy Attitude channel and you are very welcome. We all know how important it is to keep our blood pressure at healthy levels. High blood pressure, or hypertension, can lead to a series of serious health problems, like heart diseases and strokes. However, one of the most effective and natural ways to manage blood pressure is through our diet. Today, we're going to explore 7 amazing foods that can help lower blood pressure. The first food on our list is beets. Remembering that this video is only for informational purposes and does not replace a medical consultation or a consultation with a nutritionist. This vibrant vegetable is rich in nitrates, which can help relax and open blood vessels, improving circulation. A recipe tip is a salad of raw grated beets with carrot, seasoned with olive oil and lemon juice. Bananas. Known for their high concentration of potassium, bananas can balance the effects of sodium in the body, contributing to the reduction of blood pressure. How about a banana smoothie in the morning? Just blend a banana with skim or plant-based milk and, if you want, add some oats. Cold water fish. Fish such as salmon, mackerel, and tuna are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are good for the heart and can help lower blood pressure. A recipe tip is a grilled salmon fillet with fresh herbs and lemon. Garlic. This small food has a big impact. Garlic helps increase the production of nitric oxide, relaxing and opening blood vessels. A recipe tip is the classic garlic and olive oil sauce, aioli, great for accompanying cooked or grilled vegetables. Oats. Oats are an incredibly nutritious cereal and rich in fibers, which can help reduce blood pressure. A recipe tip is the famous overnight oats. Before going to bed, mix oat flakes with natural yogurt or milk, and leave it in the refrigerator overnight. In the morning, add fresh fruits and a little honey if you wish. Citrus fruits. Oranges, grapefruits, lemons, and other citrus fruits are rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that protects blood vessels. A recipe tip is a refreshing orange and grapefruit juice to start the day. Dark chocolate, especially that with at least 70% cocoa, has been associated with reducing blood pressure. A recipe tip is a dark chocolate fondue. Melt the chocolate and use it to dip fresh fruits, like strawberries and bananas. It's a delicious and healthy dessert. These are just suggestions on how you can incorporate these foods into your diet. Remember that it's important to eat a variety of foods to ensure that you get a full range of nutrients. Balanced eating and regular physical exercise are the best strategies to keep blood pressure under control. We hope that this video has been informative and useful to you. If you liked it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more health tips. Remember, your health is your most precious asset. Take good care of it. See you next time.